Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You have admin rights and the target SSID visible. Start now. On Windows, open Settings, Network and Internet. On Mac OS, open System Preferences, Network. On Android, open Wi-Fi Settings. On iOS, open Wi-Fi in Settings. You will be locating the active or saved profile to remove it. Once located, make sure Auto Join or Auto Connect is off so the system doesn't reattach while you work. This initial removal prevents immediate reconnection and prepares you for deeper cleanup steps. You now delete the saved profile so the device forgets SSID credentials. On Windows, click Forget or Run Netch command. On Mac OS, open Advanced and remove the SSID or use Network Setup in Terminal. On Android, long press Network and choose Forget. On iOS, tap the info icon, then forget this network. Once done, verify saved credentials are gone and that Auto Connect options are cleared. If the network reappears, proceed to router or system-level caches in the next steps. You finish by rebooting both device and router to flush caches and DHCP leases, which prevents immediate reattachment. If the device still reconnects, reset network settings on the device. This clears all saved SSIDs and often fixes stubborn reconnections. Make sure to change the router Wi-Fi password or use MAC access control to block the device if necessary. Troubleshooting tip: if forget fails, remove the device entry from the router's connected devices list and then power cycle the router.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.